Inside your survival gear kit, you're going to find all of these fantastic components. But of course, it starts with the bag. And as you may already know, you can get the complete kit with the bag, or you can get the bag just itself. This canvas military style bag comes with lots of molly loops, straps, Velcro, and a lot of interior pockets to give you plenty of space, plenty of opportunity for storage, to give you everything that you need to customize your kit or to fit all of these fantastic elements that you're gonna find in the complete kit. One of the great items in this kit is your multi-tool shovel. As you can see, it has a customized sheath and it's got a great pointed edge. There's also a serrated edge right here, different size wrenches. There's a measuring portion to this shovel, bottle and can opener here. One of the other nice things is you do get some rope also on the handle, so you have lots of multiple uses beyond just a regular shovel. So it is a great multi-tool in your kit. Your kit is going to also come with items to assist you in first aid and safety. With that being said, you have sunscreen, chapstick, there's a bug repellent bracelet, you have different gels and creams to assist you with things like bug bites, burns, and sanitation. You also have a pair of nitrile gloves in its own little handy pouch here. And the great thing about gloves is not only is it a great barrier for when you're in that emergency situation, but it can also assist with things like procuring and housing water. So that's another kind of multi-use element to your kit with the gloves. Also in your kit, you will have both water and fire. With your fire, you're gonna have a little canister here that you can have a screw top to, and you have these storm-proof matches inside. You have your flint striker here on the outside, and there's a little bit of tinder on the interior of that cap. So it's a nice little multi-tool piece to your kit for fire. You also have a couple of things for water. One are these aqua tabs. You're gonna get 10 tabs. One tab is good for 1 liter of water. Simply drop your tab in, mix it really well with the water, wait approximately 30 minutes, and then it's ready to drink. If you have water that may be extra contaminated, try a couple of tablets with the same process. You also have a collapsible cup. So it has a lid and you pop it right open to create your own cup. So that's a nice handy element in your kit. You also have the ability to create shelter with your kit. We have this Mylar blanket. It's a nice emergency rescue blanket. You're looking at about 5 feet by 7 feet on this particular blanket. You can, of course, see that it's got a nice reflective quality, so it's good for signaling, it's good for warmth. You can tear it apart and use it for any kind of first aid needs, for like a sling or marking where you might be located if for whatever reason you might need to leave your plane. You have this as a handy element as well. Also in your kit is a pocket-sized amount of duct tape. You're looking at 5 yards of this bright orange, very visible, highly visible duct tape. Fits in your pocket. You can take it out of the kit and keep it on your person if you needed to, but it is very, very handy. Again, for marking, you can also use this as a flexible splint product in your kit. So if you needed splinting material, this is a good option if you don't have other resources. You also will have this paracord bracelet. What's great about this is not only do you have the cord and cabling here, you have a compass, a whistle, and then there's a rod and flint striker, so you can create a spark to assist in fire making as well if for some reason these matches didn't work out. I highly doubt it. But you have this great paracord bracelet. You can wear it on your person or leave it in the kit. We also have search and rescue elements in your kit, starting with a signaling mirror. With this signaling mirror, you have some information on the back to assist you, so you're not left to your own devices on how to use this. You also have a whistle built into the necklace portion of this signaling mirror. So you could wear this around your neck, on your person, rather than leaving it in the kit. So you have a couple of options with this piece here. You also have 2 glow sticks. Last but not least, you have your survival checklist deck. It has 21 life-saving cards within this. You have a table of contents, and then as you go through each card, you have nice visual cues about what you're looking at with easy checklists to assist you through whatever emergency you may be facing, or to help you walk through steps like first aid and safety, or how to communicate, knots. There's even some cards in here for preparedness, assisting with things like mental toughness and getting through your emergency situation mentally, psychologically. So it is a great resource in an emergency, and also maybe even beforehand with preparation that way. All of these elements come in your survival gear kit. You also have the survival gear bag and the checklist deck itself that you can purchase separately. All of these resources are at lightspeedaviation.com/survival.